So now, first thing we want to do is display our slides, as right now they're set to 0. So now we're going to start processing from the last element, the element being the one on the furthest right, so that we can determine, so that we can make it the biggest, and then as it continues from last to first, it becomes smaller. So we're going to first access the one at the right. And in order to access this, we're going to have to use active slides, get the length so that we can get the last element, the last position of active slides. We're going to subtract it by 1 since positioning starts from 0 rather than 1. And then we are also going to continue the loop until it reaches 0. So 0 should be the last position that active class that the loop works on, and it's going to be decrementing. So for example, in our case, since there are 5 slides, it will start from 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Now the next thing we're going to do is we want to access each element, and we are going to set the width for now, just for now, to 300 pixels so that we can display all of our slides. All of our slides are shown. However, I can see that the ones that are supposed to be hidden, they're still shown, and so we're going to have to work on slide box and CSS, and we're just going to add in one more property, which is overflow hidden. So then now we are not able to see any of the text, and also while we transition from a slide showing to a slide disappearing, we also want the text to have a smooth transition, because if we leave it as it is, when it transitions from slide being shown to slide being hidden, the image goes smoothly. The text, however, it's going to wrap itself, so we want to ensure that there's no wrapping of text, otherwise it will go from it will start to go downwards and it will start to form a column, but we want it to stay in a row. So we're going to add in another property as well called text wrap, and we want to ensure the text does not wrap, and this will be relevant later on. So now we can see that all of our slides are shown.